Would you want to tap into the lucrative world of digital products and turn your expertise into a profitable online business? In this video, I am going to share with you the profitability of digital products, types of digital products, and how to create and sell them. This video is important because digital products can provide a scalable and sustainable source of income. Please watch till the end because I am going to share with you a secret strategy that will help you to scale your digital products business. I am Pat Ugo II, and I do videos around educational technology, digital literacy skills, and personal growth. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. If you are ready, let's dive in. So, why digital products, you may ask? One of the reasons why many people are adopting digital products is because it has low production costs. This means that you don't have to worry yourself about shipping or storage requirements. Everything is there in a digital form. Number two is scalability. You can sell as many copies as you want without bothering about the increased cost of production. Number three is flexibility. Digital products is very easy to update or modify, unlike the traditional physical products. Now, let us look at different types of digital products. In number one, we have ebook and guides. So you can create different ebooks, whether it is step-by-step that completes something, or a novel, or any tutorial that you want to package as ebook. Number two is online courses. You can also create online courses to teach people from the wealth of your knowledge. In number three, we'll have software and plugins. So if you are good at coding, you can create different software or plugins and sell it to your audience. In number four, we'll have templates and stock media. And finally, in number five, we'll have membership sites. So you can create a member-only website where you'll be giving pro tips that is not open to the public. These are various types of digital products. Now, how do you then create a digital product? One thing you need to do is to identify your expertise. You don't just creating something out of nothing. You create based on your knowledge. So in your digital product, you are going to share your knowledge and skills. Number two is to choose a particular format. In this, you select the best format for your digital product. You decide whether it's going to be an online course, ebook, or member-only website. Another thing is to develop a high-quality content. You can use multimedia and interactive elements to make your content stand out. If you are getting value from this video, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Also, remember to give the video a thumb so that YouTube will recommend it to many others. This will be your way of supporting my channel. The next thing you will need to understand about digital products is marketing and selling of digital products. To be successful at digital products, you will need to build an audience. So you can use tools such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to build your audience. You will also need to create a sales page. With sales page, we are going to highlight the benefits and features of your digital products. Also offer bonuses and discounts. Incentivize people to buy your digital products. You know, people like free things. You understand? And now the bonus. My bonus tip in this particular video is to use a problem agitate solve framework to create a compelling sales page that resonates with your audience and drive sales. So people would like to know if they will get value when they purchase this your digital products. This is what you will need to do in every of your digital products in order to make huge number of sales. In conclusion, digital products can be a lucrative way to monetize your expertise and skills. Remember, success requires careful planning, high quality content, and effective marketing. That is to say, it is not going to be a get rich quick syndrome. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful. do not forget to subscribe and also share this video with your loved ones. Remember to also share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if creating a digital product is a kind of too big for you, I have another video that teaches how to start affiliate marketing. The video is popping up now, and you can also find the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.